This video will illustrate how to personalize topic files in the AVP sequencing software. In previous videos, we've looked at how to upload a topic file created by a teacher or lecturer. In this video, we'll look at how the steps within that topic file can be personalized for the individual learning needs of different students. To start with, we'll select the topic file by going to the admin area, entering the password pass, clicking on the add-ins manager and selecting the topic file, which is shown in blue by placing a tick in the box next to the topic file. We will click on the Enter Your Content button and we can now see the topic file. We're able to see the topic options exported with the topic by the tutor and the steps created in the sequence by the tutor or lecturer. First thing to do is to go and look at how these steps appear within any of the 6 activities. For the student that I have in mind, they may wish to make some changes to the way these steps appear within the activities. To do this, return and click on the Enter Your Content button, select the topic, and then begin to make the changes to make it easier for the student to learn that sequence. They may wish to change the topic options if they want to shorten the sequence, so they're initially only focusing on learning the initial steps in the sequence, they can click on these buttons here, which will reduce the length of the sequence. They can later return and add these steps in as they become more confident in identifying the steps in the sequence. Equally, other students may wish to add additional steps, either as text or pictures, up to a maximum of 20 steps within the sequence. A student for whom English is an additional language, or for a student who is learning another language, they may wish to change the text to a different language. Students may also wish to add clues to make the steps easier to place in the first instance, and they can then turn and remove these clues later. So I'm going to put a 1 here to indicate that this is the start of the sequence. I can also change the text to bold, italics or underline, or add superscript or subscript. I'm now going to go back to the activity to look at how these steps now appear in the activity to see whether these are more appropriate for the particular student. So I am now able to see the impact of the changes made within the topic options to the steps within this sequence. This series of videos have illustrated how a lecturer or tutor can create a topic file using the AVP sequencing creator and export that to share with a student who can upload it into the AVP sequencing software to learn or revise the steps in the tutor or lecturer's sequence.